We're in love, and there's nothing you can do about it. Nothing. I'm the king of the world. King of the world. Woohoo!
I got a pinch of salt that says they don't make it. Well, I'll take that action for sure.
I don't want to burst your bubble, but...
Oh my God, she's gonna blow! Man down! Man down!
That is not good.
Ow! Oh! Ow! Whoa! He really landed hard. Did you see that orange? Orange? Oh. Wow.
Oh, I think I'm seeing stars.
Dad nabbit, them stars is gonna put us out of work. Oh, come on now, Dad. Let's go see about that cantaloupe. Orange, are you all right?
All right? I'm not all right. I'm a... Wait. Who am I?
Uh-oh.
Wait. Let me get this straight. I'm an apple?
Yep.
Really?
A great, big, giant apple.
Yay! I'm an apple!
Well, I looked all over the place, and I can't find Midget Apple anywhere.
Good news, green guy. I'm an apple.
No, I told you, you're an orange.
Nuh-uh. I'm an apple.
Yeah. Green guy's an apple, too.
Okay, you know what? You're an apple, buddy.
Yay! Everyone's an apple.
No. I'm a pear. And you're an orange.
I'm orange? Why am I orange? Is there something wrong with me?
No, you are an orange. Just like I'm a pear.
You're a bear? Ah! Please don't eat me.
No, a pear.
A pear? A pear of what? I only see one of you.
Oh.
Hey, who turned on the light? Whoa, was that my conscience?
No, that was Midget Apple.
No, that's Little Apple. You're not helping.
Oh, I'm getting a little lightheaded over here.
Can somebody give me a hand, please? No problem. I'll just... No hands. Why don't I have hands? Ah!
Whoa, easy, dude, easy. You never had hands.
What's going on out there?
Orange got hit in the head, and now he has amnesia.
Yeah, and my memory's gone too.
Uh-oh, I think I'm getting tingly face.
Uh-oh. Did you say tingly face?
Oh no.
You guys better hold on to something. Hey, what's happening now?
Little Apple, what's going on?
Oh, this isn't good.
It's like 1,000 kittens tickling me with whiskers.
Oh, no.
Here it goes.
He's got a blow! Ooh!
Whoa. Excuse me.
Orange, are you okay?
Oh, ow.
Hey, can you hear me? Over here. Hey. You doing okay there, Apple?
I'm not an apple.
That's it. He's remembering.
I'm not remembering.
Oh.
I'm an orange.
Yeah!
And you're pear.
Yay.
And that's marshmallow. And hey, apple.
Why?
Knife.
Whoa!
Whoa. I guess Apple forgot how this works.
Yay. Orange is back. And my sinuses are clear.
Yay!
Boy, if it hadn't been for you and Midget Uh-oh. Midget Apple!
Hey, little guy. You okay? Talk to me, brother.
Well, that just tears it. All right, boys, let's show these stars who's back.
Mirror, mirror on the wall. Do you want to hear my bird call? Caw-caw! Caw-caw!
Leave me be. I'm busy, can't you see?
Yeah, busy reflecting.
No, silly fruit. I'm working for the Queen, trying to find...
A unicorn spleen?
What?
A fish wearing jeans?
No.
Oh, I know, a farting bean.
Silence!
What? I'm just trying to help.
My rhymes don't need an assist. Besides, those things don't even exist.
Tell that to those guys.
Don't exist, eh? This coming from a talking mirror. You You tell him, Greg.
That guy's a real pain in the gas.
Ugh, such frustration. You're not helping my situation.
Oh, I know what's wrong. You don't have any fat beats to go with your rhymes.
What? No.
Eric.
Stop!
Come on, you're not rhyming.
No!
Eric.
Stop it!
Jeez, someone's being a real pain in the glass.
You just used that joke, Pulp the Brains.
Whatever, McChubby.
That's MC Chubby!
Ah, listen! What the Queen asked requires the greatest wisdom. I must find the most poisonous apple in the kingdom.
Wait, who's in the what now?
I have to get a poisonous apple for Snow White to eat. I can't find one. Okay? Do you get it now?
Oh, well, why didn't you say so? There's one right there.
What? Really?
Holy moly, is it hot in here?
What? What is this?
It's what you wanted. A moistened apple.
Seriously, guys, it's so hot that squirrels are pouring ice water on their nuts.
What? Is there a problem? We like cold acorns.
I don't mean to be cruel, but I said a poison apple, you fool!
Oh, I get it. Well, how about that one?
Don't get too close to me. I don't feel very good.
This is most outrageous! That midget apple isn't poisonous, he's merely contagious!
That's little too.
Gazoot midget.
Ah, the time draws near! I will never find a poison apple, I fear!
Steer clear of the deer that pokes you in the ear.
Please stop before I blow my top!
Ooh, want a flop and shop for a mop at a truck stop?
Would you be quiet?
Please eat a balanced diet.
Ah!
Hey, guys, I don't mean to interrupt, but seriously, could we turn on a fan or something?
Quiet, you wet fruit! Since I have failed, I will certainly get the boot!
Yeah, and besides, snow is coming anyways.
Really? That sounds wonderful.
No, not snow. Snow.
Wait, what?
Snow White.
Ooh, delicious apple.
Whoa.
Oh, I don't feel so good.
Whoa. Looks like Snow White is a real flake.
Oh my! I was wrong! That apple was poisonous all along!
Well, he was an apple.
The Queen will be thrilled! Her wish has been fulfilled!
Because Snow White has been chilled.
Ah!
Hippity, hoppity, waka waka woo, midget apple. Achoo! Break it down.
Ah!
Wow, look at all those rainbows. Color me impressed.
But why are there so many?
Maybe it's because today is the greatest day ever. Yay!
Maybe, but it also seems like something might be up.
Wow, quadruple rainbow.
All the way across the sky. So intense. Yay!
Am I the only one who thinks this is too many rainbows?
Yes! Silly grapefruit, there's no such thing as too many rainbows. Yay!
But where are they all coming from? What the heck is going on?
Bad news, everyone! Liam's come down with the leprechaun flu. Sorry.
No need to apologize. We're actually really enjoying it.
Hey, stop acting so excited about this. The leprechaun flu is a very serious disease. I can't even shave.
Yeah, guys, it ain't nothing to sneeze at.
I'm telling you, it's an awful disease, and you shouldn't be making light of it.
Orange?
Well, I think he just witnessed something so hilarious that his brain shorted out. This happens from time to time.
Hold on. Liam, did you just fart a gold coin?
Aye, farts and coins is stage 3 of the leprechaun flu. So you see now, the leprechaun flu is no laughing matter. Achoo!
So let me see if I got this straight. When you contract the leprechaun flu, you fart gold coins.
And sneeze rainbows, aye. It's truly terrible.
What are you talking about? This is the greatest type of flu I've ever heard of.
No, it's positively awful. When I sneeze, it
Hurts?
well, no, it's more of a soothing feeling. Relaxing, actually. But after a leprechaun flu sneeze, it feels so incredible that you have to ponder, wow, I really feel awful all the time, and that's truly an awful feeling.
Okay.
And the kind farts, don't get me started on those. Those are awful as well.
Because they smell bad?
Well, no, they smell like fresh clover after the rain. It's quite nice, actually, but it's mighty inconvenient if you're farting all the time on the job.
What are you talking about? If you're burning gold coins while on the job, why do you even need a job? You're rich.
Ah, well, I suppose that's a good thing. But believe me, the leprechaun flu is a very serious thing. But this is only stage 3 of the leprechaun flu.
What's stage 4? Burping out adorable bunnies?
No, that was actually stage 1.
Are you my mommy?
I told you already, I'm not your mommy.
Okay.
Stage 4 of the leprechaun flu is, get ready for this, spontaneous combustion. Needless to say, there is no stage 5.
Wait, so you're saying that if you reach stage 4, you'll explode?
Wow. Hey, I heard the word explode and I'm back with you. What are we exploding? Tell me.
Nothing, Orange. There's not going to be no explosion because we're going to cure Liam's flu right now.
Oh, try not to act so happy about it, you big meanie head. Achoo! Oh, look at that jackpot.
Liam, how will we know if you're heading into stage 4? What are the signs?
There's one telltale sign. I'll start adding syllables to words. When a leprechaun starts adding syllables to words, now you know it's getting serious.
Wait, say syllables again.
Syllabillables?
Syllables.
Syllabillabullables.
Oh, man, this is getting serious.
I couldn't be more syllabillabullables. Oh,
Oh, guys, we gotta cure him quick.
What's the cure for leprechaun flu?
there's only one known cure. Any orange in the vicinity must stop talking immediately.
Huh? For how long?
Forever.
Can the orange still nya sometimes?
Nope.
Yeah, there's no way that's true.
You can't be bluff.
We appreciate the effort.
You're welcome. It was worth a shot. But seriously, the actual cure bomb for the
Maybe we should take a few steps back.
leprechaun flu. Oh no, the leprechaun flu.
Yeah, he's definitely stuck in a billabong loop.
The diggle
Guys, we gotta get out of here.
The
It's
diggle
getting
on the
worse.
diggle. Billabong. Great who?
Hello, everyone. Are you my mommy?
Kid, get out of here!
Wow, more like Bill a Bomb, am I right?
Is everyone all right?
Looks like it. Well, not Liam, of course.
Grapefruit, you strangely.
No biggie. Try not to read into it, too.
Will you be my mommy?
Yeah.
And my mommy too? Will you be my mommy?
Hey, look! A mommy!
After a mommy.
Hey, handsome.
Mayor!
Not fair. Can't you see I'm in the middle of a conversation here? Fine. What do you want?
Today ain't Mother's Day, and we're having a party.
A party? Woohoo! I love parties.
I love party too, Mayor.
It's my day party! Yay!
Oh, my ears.
Oh, nice.
That's okay. Although, why you thought my boy when you here?
Because today is Mother's Day party! Yay!
Okay, Roberta, I did it. Roberta, stop it!
Relax. It's time your party hot, but what are we doing about my day party? Well, maybe a point. That happened Mother today. We're doing having a Mother's Day party.
It's so silly! There's a Mother's Day party! I got it!
Uh-oh, Roberta thought need it. Oh dear, poor Roberta.
Oh, what's the matter, Roberta? Are you built it?
Oh dear! I have a toe!
Oh, it doesn't matter.
Been too much din all day, Roberta. You need to rest.
Okay, I better go now.
Poor Rebecca. He feels sick. Right, Storm?
You idiots! Come on, and what the bad idea about that build it? Are you doing okay? Don't want one nothing?
Stop it. I am not.
But you're an idiot! Well, we did it pretty long. Wow! Mayor!
Just kidding. I don't feel so sorry about that. See, if I did a picture by myself, is that the picture?
No.
How about now?
I didn't nothing wrong with this.
How about now? See?
Oh my god! You're right! That's more like it. It's a picture of me and Gary.
Well, McQueen, I am so excited. Or Bill.
Achoo! Oh, Gary.
Hello, Rebecca. What's the matter? Are you okay?
Achoo!
Come on, Rebecca, look at you. You got a fever.
Yeah, I have a tall right here.
It's okay, Rebecca. You need to rest.
Okay, I feel bad too. Goodbye, Gary.
Bye-bye, Rebecca. Feel better soon. Anyways, today is Mother's Day. Oh, I'm so excited. But where's my surprise? Let's find out.
Happy Mother's Day, Gary.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Ooh, ready to party!
Yay. Let's party. Yoo-hoo.
Oh wow, this is the best Mother's Day ever.
Hey, McQueen. Thanks for inviting me to the Mother's Day party.
Anytime, Gary. I love you.
Oh man, today is my day, but we ain't never done anything.
Oh, Rebecca, you feel much better now. This is Mother's Day. I will teach you this. See, Rebecca? It's the pinwheel.
Whoa! It's the pinwheel! Oh my goodness! I never did that coming! Woohoo! Yay! The pinwheel! Woohoo! Oh, McQueen, thank you so much!
My pleasure, Rebecca.
Happy Mother's Day, Whoa. Happy Mother's Day, Cruz.
Timber Woodward, look at that mouse. He did it thoroughly. Well, but however he did that, he was so beautiful. He was a die, it would be done my butt. We and William.
You're not that day, Mayor.